Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered that when we are little, no matter how much food you eat or no matter what kind of diet you have, but you never gain weight and you never have any belly fat, but you only gain that weight and you only start getting a big belly once you're old. So all that belly fat and all that weight gain is from overworked liver. So by the time we are old enough, we get a very overworked liver from all the eating habits that we have in our life. So today I'm going to share with you a drink which is going to help you detox your liver. Because our liver is so overworked, we need something to detox it. Instead of taking any medication or any supplements, why not try it the natural way? So the best thing to take to detoxify and cleanse your liver is using mint tea. If you go to Middle Eastern countries, you'll see that they have mint tea after every meals they have. They have it after breakfast. They take mint tea after lunch. They take mint tea after dinner. So I'll show you how I make my mint tea. And for that, the best thing to use is fresh mint from the garden. So let's go to the backyard and grab some sprigs of mint. So guys, here I am in my backyard, and as you can see, I have a lot of mint. I'm just gonna take a few sprigs from here. So let's just cut this out. Maybe another one. So I have here 2 sprigs, and then this should be enough. So this is the mint that I'm going to be using for 2 cups of water. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the leaves and then wash them. This smells so good. I love the smell of fresh mint. You can just wash the leaves and start chewing a few leaves. This gives you good breath. It's also good for your digestion. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash these. So these washed mint leaves are ready to go in the water. I'm using 2 cups of water. The water is almost boiling right now. I'm just going to increase the heat and let this come to a boil. The water has come to a boil. We'll just let this boil for a few more minutes. I'll just give this a stir. So it has been a minute. I'm going to turn the heat off and I'm going to take this mint tea out in a kettle. It's a very nice golden color, and it's gonna brew in this. I'm just gonna cover this up. So we'll just let this sit in this kettle, and for those of you who would like sugar in your mint tea, you can definitely add sugar to it, but I like to have my mint tea without any sugar, so I'm just going to enjoy it like this. Let me take it out in some cups to show you. Our mint tea is ready. Guys, look at the mint tea. Looks so delicious, and the color is so rich. It's a very nice golden color, and I'm going to take a sip and tell you what this tastes like. It has no taste, but I can just feel that I'm drinking something to do with mint, because it has that mint essence in it. It's not sweet because I haven't added sugar, but if you add sugar, it's gonna taste much better if you prefer sugar, but I like it without sugar. So I'm gonna enjoy my mint tea like this. And guys, it has a lot of benefits. The most important benefit, the biggest of all, is that it's going to help you detoxify your liver. So go ahead, make yourself a cup of mint tea today. Enjoy it after your meal. And this Father's Day, I know everybody's going to have a lot of barbecues and overeating and rich food, and so just finish off your barbecue parties or your Father's Day event with a cup of mint tea. If you think that this recipe was beneficial for you and you liked it, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another exciting recipe. Allah Hafiz, everyone.